Welcome to Herb Nerd TV. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking topic that's been making waves in the world of mental health: psychedelic mushrooms versus antidepressants. Could these ancient fungi offer a viable alternative to traditional medications? Or is it all just hype? Let's explore the evidence and see what science has to say about this potential new era in mental health. The rise of psychedelic mushrooms, often called magic mushrooms or psilocybin mushrooms, have been used for centuries in spiritual and healing practices. Recently, they've gained attention for their potential therapeutic effects on mental health conditions like depression, anxiety, and PTSD. Unlike traditional antidepressants, which can take weeks to show effects, psilocybin, a compound found in these mushrooms, has been shown to produce profound changes in mood and perception after just 1 or 2 doses. How psilocybin works? Psilocybin works differently from traditional antidepressants. When ingested, it converts into psilocin, which interacts with serotonin receptors in the brain, particularly the 5-HT2A receptor. This interaction is believed to reset brain circuits, promoting new neural connections and enhancing emotional processing. In simple terms, psilocybin can help the brain break out of rigid patterns of thought that contribute to conditions like depression. Antidepressants. A long-standing treatment. On the other hand, traditional antidepressants like SSRIs, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, have been the go-to treatment for depression for decades. These drugs work by increasing serotonin levels in the brain, but they come with a catch. They need to be taken daily and can take weeks to months to be fully effective. They also come with a range of side effects such as weight gain, sexual dysfunction, and emotional blunting, making them less ideal for some patients. What does the research say? Recent studies have compared psilocybin to antidepressants head-to-head. In a groundbreaking 2021 study published in the New England Journal of Medicine, researchers compared the effects of psilocybin with escitalopram, a common SSRI. The results were striking. After 6 weeks, the group receiving psilocybin showed greater improvements in depression scores compared to the antidepressant group. Participants also reported feeling more connected, more positive, and less emotionally numb. Lasting effects with just 1 or 2 sessions. One of the most compelling aspects of psilocybin therapy is the duration of its effects. Unlike antidepressants, which must be taken daily, psilocybin's impact can last for months after just 1 or 2 guided sessions. This suggests that it not only alleviates symptoms but may also address the root causes of depression by promoting new ways of thinking and feeling. The risks and considerations, however, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Psilocybin can also produce intense experiences that may not be suitable for everyone. Bad trips, emotional distress, and the resurfacing of traumatic memories are possible during psychedelic experiences. It's crucial that psilocybin is taken in a controlled, therapeutic setting under the guidance of professionals who can support the process. Legal status and accessibility. Another major difference between psilocybin and antidepressants is accessibility. While SSRIs are widely available and prescribed by doctors, psilocybin remains illegal in many parts of the world, classified as a Schedule I substance in the US, meaning it's considered to have no accepted medical use and a high potential for abuse. However, recent shifts in public perception and ongoing clinical trials are paving the way for potential legalization and medical approval in the near future. Could this be the future of mental health? While psilocybin therapy isn't a magic bullet, it represents a paradigm shift in how we approach mental health treatment. It offers a holistic, short-term intervention that could complement or even replace daily medications for some individuals. However, it's important to note that more research is needed to fully understand the long-term impacts and safety of psychedelic use. Thanks for tuning in to Herb Nerd TV. If you found this topic intriguing, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of herbs, natural remedies, and the latest in mental health. Stay curious, and we'll see you next time.